Hey Ray babes, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today's my first time ever making a U-part wig, so I decided to record it for you guys. So I started off with measuring my cap to my canvas dome head, and my canvas dome head is 22 inches. So just custom what your wig cap should be to your head onto your dome cap. And then you guys, I went ahead and used my T-pins that came with my dome head, and I pinned the cap in place according to my measurements, you guys. And I also used my measuring tape sometimes when I was measuring the wig cap to the dome head. I would use my measuring tape and I would use the pins to hold the tape in place, just so that I made sure everything was to a T with the measurements, you guys. Then right here, I'm just going ahead and using my needle and thread, and I'm sewing on my first track, you guys. And I also went ahead and used the T-pins to hold my tracks in place, just so that everything was already in order for me to go ahead and sew, and I wasn't wasting any extra time trying to perfectly place the tracks and hold them there while I'm sewing. So using the T-pins on your tracks while you're sewing your wefts makes it 10 times easier and 10 times faster to just get through the whole weft. Okay, you guys, so I am going to stop doing the voiceover for this portion of the video and just let you guys watch me sew the wig. If you guys do want a more in-depth version, go ahead and comment down below so I know, and I will be dropping one most likely if you guys want it, after I make a couple more wigs and get used to my own routine of, you know, sewing and just creating the wig. But yeah, I gave you guys a couple of tips that were very useful to me in this process, so I hope you guys enjoy.
She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands to Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch got a daddy. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. He got me while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot.
So y'all, here I'm just going in with the slowed down version of how it looks when I double knot or tie the thread while I'm sewing, and I like to do that near the front just so that it's extra secure.
She shake it like jelly. 100 bands to Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch got a daddy. He like him already. He want the walk, but I just want the fatty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Feeling the shit, I'm showing my Gucci. PJ's and Emilio Gucci. I look like bitches like shout out to Lucy. If she back, then I let her seduce me. I'm the shit, I'm that bitch, I'm as poopy. Juice in my cup got me feeling real loopy. 40-inch could have parted. He got all my pics ordered. Feel like damn, I still feel be the hardest. I'm not a regular artist. Go cool and I'm just getting started. Baddies on baddies, they it now. Get hit with a charge, my boy gon' take it now. But don't worry, cause we gon' break him out. Cook the crack like a chef, so I base it out. Okay, my, that's my baby now. Keep it on a low, cause that's your lady now. I just made me 180 now. That's how much the promoter be paying now. What you gon' do? Yeah, huh? When it come for you, yeah, huh? What you gon' do? Yeah, huh? When it come for you, yeah, huh? I don't wear boots, yeah, huh? But I'm off the boot, yeah, huh? I don't ever lose, I don't ever snooze, cause I just pop into blues, yeah. No, I don't follow no rules. Fuck your bitch right out the sole of her shoes. That Billie Jean, yeah. These niggas still in my moves, yeah. 5'7", 5'7", 5'7", 5'7", FN bust your top. Put it right in her neck just like a tie. I go to her crib just with my five. I gotta not live on my ops block. She always give up the drop. We always gonna be on top, whether you like it or not. I think you cool, but I'm hot, lady cool. In front the back, she made me say woody. I hit that girl, made her pull up rolling. I hit that, then I had break my shoulder. Opened up a loaf of bread and spread it out. I remember I almost ain't made it.
Daddy, he making me thicker. Rob his heart, bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets real small, think I'll pick up. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Baby, I watch how I move. Bitches, they see me, don't know what to do. Like, Daddy, I get in my mood. Nigga, munchie, he eat me like food. Yeah, he eating it up. Kitty on water, he beating it up. On fire, heating it up. Bitches be dirty, I'm cleaning them up.